you frustrated with the cannot complete action, this account cannot be completed at this time error when trying to invite family members to your Apple ID for family sharing? No worries, you are in the right place. This problem can happen for a variety of reasons like network issues or account restrictions. But don't stress, this guide will walk you through some easy-to-follow steps to fix the issue. Let's dive in and get your family sharing set up. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, open the Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner of your screen. Now, turn on Airplane Mode. Wait for about 10 seconds and then turn Airplane Mode off. After that, check to ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. After that, restart your iPhone and see if the problem is fixed. Solution 2. Check Family Sharing Settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. Next, select Family Sharing. Tap Continue, then tap Suggestions or Invite Others. Now, choose Invite in Person. Carefully enter the Apple ID and password of the family member you're inviting. Tap Next. After that, you should be able to add them to your family sharing group. Solution 3. Check for Apple ID restrictions. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure the Content and Privacy Restrictions toggle is turned off. Solution 4. Sign out and back in. Open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Follow the prompts to fully sign out of your Apple ID. Then sign back in using your Apple ID credentials. That's it! By following these solutions, you should be able to fix the cannot complete action issue when inviting family members to your Apple ID. If you're still facing trouble, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.